Hi guys, I'm Abhinav. I am on my Spiti ride. This is day one. We are climbing the Himalayan Expressway. I don't know if it's still called the Himalayan Expressway, but we are headed towards Solan, then Shimla. And I'm riding with my friend Yudhvir, who is up ahead on the XPulse 4-valve. Srinivas Ganesh, another friend of ours, he's riding an Interceptor and he is about 20 kilometers ahead of us. So we are trying to catch him. Yogesh is behind us. He's not riding, well, I wouldn't say this is very fast. He's not riding fast. So we just thought that, you know, we'll just sort of enjoy the twisties a little, Yudhvir and me. Yeah, this is not cool. Shouldn't do this. Anyway, cow. So I thought I'll just show you Yudhvir and my riding. We are just casual riders, guys. We aren't, I mean, our technique is just whatever that we've cobbled up together over the years, you know. It's no technique really. We just ride for fun. And if you want to have fun, you know, I keep saying this, you don't really need a big motorcycle in India. This bloody XPulse or a Himalayan is, yeah, these guys can provide you a lot of fun. That's a stock motorcycle, 4-valve, and he's a faster rider than me, for sure. I'm on my 230, the 227cc big board that I run. I'm not running the stock ECU. I have with me the same NMW ECU but with different maps this time for the Spiti ride, which I will talk about and explain at a later date. Right now we're just gonna enjoy a little bit of twisties. I won't overtake him because the idea is to get two riders in the frame. Man, I really need to get my street triple here someday. Take diversion. What diversion? Alright, anyway. Gotta be very careful over here, very careful. It's a road live with traffic. You cannot be too adventurous here. Man, this is so much fun. Solan just 13 now. Shimla 60. We have to get to Narkanda. We've wasted a lot of time, It's already 5:30 now. So yeah. We're just chilling. We're sitting at a dhaba, eating, chilling, talking. But then, you know, that's what the ride is about. Relaxing. fact, this is our first ever trip to Spiti. He's never been to Spiti. I most certainly haven't been to Spiti. Yogesh hasn't been to Spiti, and that guy's done Ladakh 7 times. Srinivas Ganesh, where he hasn't toured much. So this is his first big tour, really. It's not a very big tour, it's just a 9-day quick Spiti ride. Shimla 49. Oops, ran a little wide. Trail braking. The fuck? Oh, this is so much fun to do. I think we both are in the third gear. Third, yes. Easy. Man, do people still run these spoilers? Anyway, who am I to judge? Again, like assholes, we're going to overtake everybody. I don't like it, man. Why? This is a one-way. Valley view. Yeah, he can't shake me today. Solan just 5. I remember, guys, you know, back in 2016 or 2017 was it? I was trying to be a proper athlete. I wanted to run a triathlon. I used to cycle a lot. I was very fit, very fit. I am not fit anymore. I'm just fat right now. I used to be 20 kilos lighter, believe it or not. Cycling 50, 60, 70 kilometers every day. We wanted to do a Manali to Ladakh cycle ride. So we came for training. So we started riding from Zirakpur to Solan. The idea was to ride all the way to Shimla. As soon as elevation hit, oh my god, what an eye-opener that was. We just couldn't ride. So we were 4 or 5 guys. It took us 9 hours to climb to Solan with all the brakes and everything. It just couldn't do it. Did not even ride to Shimla, just stopped at Solan. Anyway, maybe I'll try to get fit again someday, hopefully. Man, this is a fun ride. I think at least for this particular stretch with just corners, maybe a more canted forward position with a 17-inch wheel at the front. That would be amazing. That would provide amazing feedback. What's happening with me today? Too many slips. Off the tongue, mind you, not the bike. Alright. So, you know, we're gonna ride like this, we're gonna keep riding like this. I think you have an idea now of how this bike rides in sort of capable hands. His XPulse is a lot of fun, guys, and a lot of people just sleep on the XPulse. They think it's not a good looking motorcycle. I think it's a beautiful motorcycle. It's a little quirky looking, which I think is its strength. Nothing else looks like the XPulse in our country. It's just a gem of a motorcycle. Okay, I think whenever I get another straight, I'm going to stop the video and just ride. Maybe now. Bye bye, guys.